Welcome to this video for Bitdefender Total Security Activation and Installation for Windows. The Bitdefender redeem code is a 8-digit code which you got from physical scratch card and third-party website. For the 10-digit code that you got from the Bitdefender website, you can skip to this time. First, you go to the Bitdefender Thailand website, then go to the Register Product at the navigation bar and click Register Product. This will take you to the page that you need to redeem the product that put in your email and the redeem code, which is a 8-digit code. Select your language and agree to the term of service.
In case you're not capable to use your email, you can use your Facebook, Google, and Microsoft to get your license key.
After you finish, you can click the Get License button. Your Bitdefender 10-digit activation code will show in the blue area. If you accidentally close this page, you can also see the code from the email that will be sent to you.
Next, go to central.bitdefender.com.
Here, if you already have a Bitdefender account, you can log in using your email or sign in using Facebook, Google account, Microsoft account, and Apple ID. Or if you wish to create a new Bitdefender account, you can click here. To create a new Bitdefender account, enter your full name, email address, your password, and agree to the term of service. For your password, it is best to include both lower and uppercase character, contain at least one number or symbol, and at least 9 characters long. After you log into the Bitdefender Central, you can navigate to the My Subscription. Tap on the left. This will show you current product license. Then you can click on the Activate with Code button. After that, you can enter your 10-digit activation code and click the Activate button. If you already have an existing subscription, you are given a choice of extending your current subscription or adding a new one. You can see the change here. Now you can go to the My Device tab to check which devices have Bitdefender installed on. This is what it will look like if you haven't installed Bitdefender on any device. You can click the Install Bitdefender product, then choose which product you would like to install and choose if you want to install on your current device or other device. After downloading the Bitdefender installer, you can open it. The first thing you need to do is to agree with the term of service and choose if you want to send product report or not. Then click Install. You can also install from your Bitdefender VPN. Now, after finish the installation, the Bitdefender Total Security is ready to protect your device. Here are a quick view of the Bitdefender Total Security.